If you're tired of posting for free on Facebook, then this one's for you. I'm lathonmb and I've put together a complete 20-part masterclass blueprint to show you exactly how to get paid on Facebook in 2026. This video covers part 1 to 10, taking you from a standard profile to a professional setup and hitting those first major milestones. By the time this video is over, you will have the exact blueprint to start turning your content into cash. Let's dive into part 1. Stop scrolling. If you're not making money from Facebook, listen up. Are you posting content in the UK right now and you aren't getting a payout? You are leaving money on the table. I'm launching a brand new series to show you exactly how you can turn your Facebook profile into real income in 2026. This isn't just about Reels anymore. Facebook has completely changed the rules for us creators. Over the next 20 videos, I'm going to break it down how to unlock the door to getting paid for all your photos, stories, and even your basic text updates. I'm showing you the exact roadmap to hitting that first magic milestone of 500 followers to unlock your tip jar, which is called stars, and how to qualify for a brand new unified payout system. Whether you're a total beginner or you've been posting for years, it's time to make sure every single post you share is actually working for you. This is the ultimate guide to leveling up your creator game and building a business right here on the platform. Hit that follow button and join me for the journey. Let's get this bread. I'll see you in video 2 where I'll talk about the secret switch. The first and most important step to getting paid on Facebook is switching to professional mode. Now think of this as the master key to your business. Without it, you're just a profile for family and friends. With it, it becomes a professional earning tool. I'm telling you this because you cannot even begin the journey to monetization without this switch. Once professional mode is turned on, Facebook starts tracking every single view, like as a business metric. It unlocks professional dashboard, which is where the monetization tab lives. This is where you'll eventually see your money accumulating and track your progress towards your goals. To do this, go to the main profile, look for the 3 dots next to the edit profile and scroll down until you see turn on professional mode. Once you hit that button, your profile stays exactly the same for your friends, but it opens up the world of analytics and payouts just for you. Don't wait until you have followers to do this. Turn it on today so Facebook can start measuring your growth from 0. It's the only way to make sure every post you share from this moment on is actually working towards your first payout. I'll see you in video 3 where I'll talk about the power of engagement. I have a quick secret to share with you. Your likes, your comments and shares are actually worth cash to your favourite creators. The new 2026 Facebook payout system, engagement is everything. When you hit that like button, it's more than just a thumbs up. It's a vote of confidence to the algorithm that tells Facebook this content is worth more to people. In the new 2026 Facebook payout system, engagement is everything. When you hit that like button, it's more than just a thumbs up. It's a vote of confidence to the algorithm that tells Facebook this content is worth showing to more people. When you leave a comment, it tells the system that this content is starting a real conversation, which keeps people on the app longer. But the share button, that's the holy grail. A single share can triple a creator's reach, which directly increases their payout from Facebook because the more views equals more revenue. So if you enjoy someone's content and want to see them keep going, don't just be a silent viewer. Interact. It costs you £0, but it means the world to us creators trying to build a business and stay independent in the UK. Let's test the algorithm right now. Drop a comment below and tell me if you're ready for the rest of the series. And hit that share button if you know someone else who needs to hear this. I'll see you in the next one. A lot of you ask me how you can support this journey, and it's actually easier than you think. You don't always need to spend money to help a creator succeed. If you love the content they're putting out there are 3 ways to help them get paid on Facebook. First, hit that share button. It's the single most powerful way to tell the algorithm that this content is valuable. Every share pushes them into a new feed and introduces their work to a whole new audience. Second, leave a meaningful comment, even if it's just a few words to help push the video to more people, because it shows Facebook that people are actually watching and reaching. And third, watch the video all the way to the end. Watch time is a huge part of how the payouts are actually calculated in 2026. Now, if you've ever felt like going the extra mile, you'll see a little stars icon next to the comment box. That is a digital tip jar. You can send stars to show appreciation, and it helps them keep the lights on and the quality high. Whether it's a free share or a digital star, every single bit of support helps the creator build a community. I personally appreciate everyone who shows up, and I'll see you in the next video. I keep talking about unlocking stars, but what actually are they? Think Facebook stars as a modern version of a digital tip jar. When you're watching someone's reels or live stream, you'll see a little star icon right next to the comment box. Here's how it works. When a viewer sends a star, Facebook pays about 1 pence. Now, it might not sound like much on its own, but when a community comes together, those stars literally pay the bills and allow creators to keep creating content full time. For you as a viewer, it's super simple. Just tap the star icon, pick a pack of stars to buy, and simply gift away. The best part is your comment gets highlighted with a special badge, so we can see immediately who to give a personal shout out to. It's a way of saying thank you for the value while helping keep the channel running. My fellow content creators watching, once you hit 500 follower mark and stay consistent for 30 days, make sure you enable your stars in your dashboard so your fans can start showing you some love. Let's fill up those tip jars. I'll see you in video 6. Are you ready to go from casual posting to a real business? In the UK right now, hitting 500 followers is your first major boss level. Once you hit 500 followers and keep them for 30 days, the door officially opens to the Facebook stars. Think of stars as your own personal tip jar. When you go live or post a reel, your audience can send you stars to show they value your work. Each star is actually cash, about 1 pence per star. And while it starts small, it adds up when your community grows. But it's not just about tips. At 500 followers, the algorithm changes how it sees you. You move from being a user to a rising creator. This means Facebook starts testing your content in the suggested for you feeds of people who don't even follow you yet. Reaching this level is the ultimate proof that your content is working and that you have the consistency to make it. It's the gateway to a bigger unified payout program coming later in 2026. So don't worry about millions of followers yet. Focus on the first 500. Who's locking in 500 this month? Drop yes in the comments and let's get to work. Wait, do you think you only get paid for long videos? That is so 2023. In 2026, the UK payout game has officially changed forever, and most people are missing it because they are only focused on reels. Once you are in professional mode, you can actually get paid for literally every post. I'm talking about that morning coffee photo, that helpful text-based tip you shared, and even a 15-second story about your day. Through the new unified content monetization system, Facebook is tracking engagement across all formats. If your photo gets 100 shares, that contributes towards your monthly payout. If your text post starts a massive conversation in the comments, that contributes towards your payout. The secret is to stop overthinking and start sharing. You don't need a Hollywood budget or a film crew. You just need to be consistent and helpful. Every post is a seed you are planting in the digital garden. Start planting today and watch your UK bank account grow. We are leaving no crumbs on the table this year. We are monetizing it all. I'll see you in video 8 where we talk about the big dashboard change. I have to tell you about a massive change happening to Facebook right now. The platform is officially launching a unified content monetization program, and it's a total game changer for UK creators in 2026. Gone are the days of juggling different programs for reels, ads and bonuses. Start now. Everything is being rolled into one single, simple dashboard. This means you only have to qualify once to start earning from your reels, long form videos, photos and even public stories. And the best part is, you don't need millions of followers to see the benefits. By staying in professional mode and building that 500 follower foundation now, you are putting yourself at the front of the line for these updates. Facebook wants to simplify the process so you can focus on what you do best, creating content. The unified system makes it easy to track your earnings and understand what your audience actually likes. The future is unified and the bag is waiting. Let's get ready for the biggest year yet for UK creators. This is the year we take control of our content and our income. See you in video 9 for a quick recap. Let's tie this all together. If you've been following the series, you'll now have the exact blueprint to start earning on Facebook in the UK for 2026. It's time for a quick mid-series recap to make sure you haven't missed a single step. First, we flip that professional mode switch to turn your profile from a social page into a business tool. Second, we grind for that 500 followers milestone to unlock stars and get recognised as a rising creator by the algorithm. And third, we stop neglecting our photos, stories and text posts, because in the new unified system, every single interaction on every format adds money to your pocket. The goal isn't just to post random things, it's to build a professional brand that works for you even while you sleep. 2026 is the year for creators who are ready to treat this like a business. You have the tools, you have the strategy, and now you have the plan. And if you've missed any of the details, go back and watch the first 8 videos. Now get ready, because in video 10, I'm showing you the fast track method to hit these goals even quicker. Let's go! If you want to speed up your journey to getting paid, you have to start going live in 2026. Facebook Live is a fast track for UK creators. Why? Because it builds a level of trust and connection that a 15-second reel just can't touch. When you go live, you can interact with your audience in real time, answer their questions, and most importantly, receive stars immediately. Remember that 500 follower milestone we talked about? Live streaming is one of the quickest ways to reach it, because Facebook prioritizes live content in the notifications of your followers. It's like a direct line to your community. Plus, every minute people spend watching your live stream counts towards your total engagement for the unified payout program. You don't need a fancy studio or script, just your phone and genuine conversation. Start with just 10 or 15 minutes a week and show the real you, and watch your community and your earnings grow faster than ever. Are you brave enough to go live? Tell me in the comments and I'll see you in video 11. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. My name's lathonmb, and coming up next week will be the parts 11 to 20. So stay tuned and don't forget to get those notifications on. And some of my other videos should be popping up around now, so don't forget to give them a watch. And you know what I always say? I'll see you in the next one.